In this video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Android phone. So if you keep receiving different ads on application on your Android phone or different websites showing intrusive ads, whenever you visit that website, you can easily block all these ads on your device. Instead of the application to show on your Android phone, it will only show a blank space. Now to block ads on your Android phone, all you need to do is go to your Android phone settings. One of the settings, you want to click on network. In some Android devices, you may need to click more connectivity options. Click on network or click on more connectivity option. In this case, I have to click on more connectivity options because this option I'm about to tell you is hidden under more connectivity options. But in your case, it may be under network. So this depends on the type of device that you are using. If you are using a Samsung device, you see this feature under mobile network or networks. But if you are using other Android devices, you just need to click on more connectivity option. After then, click on private DNS and then tap private DNS provider hostname and tap custom name. Once you hit custom name, go ahead and type dns.hardguard.com and then hit the save button. Once you hit the save button, you are good to go. Now your Android phone will block any ads on your Android phone henceforth, whether the ad is from application or the ad is from any website. So if you find this really interesting, you want to hit like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.